We have so many interesting relationships. And you are new generation, you know better than me. In Hindi, these are called खूनी रिश्ते. Now this is the topic. आपको एक फैक्ट बताऊं ना, the very first topic you have learned is the blood relation. When you got the training about blood relationship, the moment child starts speaking, your parents start telling you this is your mama, this is your mommy, this is your chacha, chachi. Okay, तो बचपन से ही, before you have understood A, B, C, D, you understood the relationship. Yes, this is the very first topic. But examiner asks miscellaneous question. Conceptual clarity all of you have, but there will be miscellaneous question and we get stuck in that miscellaneous question, so we will use some extra tool to handle blood relation questions. So that extra tool I will cover, but you already know some of them, but dhire dhire answer options are really going to help you out. And in blood relation, what is important here? Your mindset. In Indian society, we have some rules or like some norms. Rule bhi nahi bolunga, there are some norms which are in your mind, and because of that we get wrong answer. देखेंगे धीरे धीरे with the help of question. मेरा आइडिया क्या है, rather than I tell you, I make you to do mistake. ब्लड रिलेशन में मैं उल्टा चलता हूँ, मैं आपको क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा और मुझे पता है यू आर गोइंग टू डू मिस्टेक इन दैट क्वेश्चन, देन यू विल लर्न द थिंग. फिर आपको रियलाइज होगा हाँ यार ये बात तो सर सही कह रहे हैं. इफ आई विल टेल यू नहीं समझ में नहीं आएगा, फिर आपको लगेगा नहीं फालतू बकवास कर रहा है. When we will do the question, you do the mistake, then you understand the concept. फिर आप concept को अच्छे से समझोगे. But before that, what we will do in blood relation, we will see family chart. We will see the relationship at different level. Because sometimes question is really difficult to handle, but if you know the level, at different level we have different relationship, you can get the answer. There will be 4 answer options. So now what we will do, we will see our family chart. I start from my level, I, me, myself. I से ही कर लेते हैं, me, myself के चक्कर में नहीं पड़ते. I. So we will see the relationship at our level, at your generation. ठीक है? What different relationship we have? Brother, sister. This is same generation or same level relationship. More important, this brother, sister, we have cousin. And I tell you, this cousin are really doubtful in metro cities. People, they tell to their landlord, today my cousin will come. And daily new cousin is coming. Except Raksha Bandhan. Now here, next, more important, this brother, sister, cousin, what we have? Husband, wife. I'm taking this topic from last 10 years. I have one genuine doubt. My doubt here is this husband, wife are not connected by blood. Still we study this under blood relation. They are not connected by blood. They are connected by something else. I mean emotions. Why we study this husband wife under blood relation? Can anyone tell me the reason? उनमें कोई blood का relation नहीं है. Upcoming generation, the future generation blood relations are determined by this couple. इनकी भूमिका से जो आगे चार्ट बनने वाला है, all these people will have the blood relations between them, among them. तो ये आगे का blood relation determine करते हैं. तो इनके ही sacrifice से वो खूनी रिश्ते बन रहे हैं. तो we study this husband wife under blood relation because they determine the future generation blood relation. And more important than this husband wife, what we have one relationship. Those who are married, they know, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. Brother-in-law, sister-in-law. These are called VVIP relationship in the family. Those who are married, they know the importance of these people. You cannot ignore these people. Otherwise, immediately surgical strike with you will be there. These are the people. ठीक है, अपनी वाइफ या पति का ध्यान रखो ना रखो, इनका स्पेशल ध्यान रखा जाता है. So these are the same level relationship. We have brother, sister, husband, wife, cousin, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. I will not take that relationship, what you call it BF, GF relationship. Boyfriend, girlfriend relationship. I tell you the reason. The reason is not fixed. Today Ram, tomorrow Sham, then Ghanshyam. Today Sita, then Geeta, then Papita. मतलब एक पूरा मतलब ब्रांचेस देखूं तो पूरा ट्री बन जाएगा. So that's why like we don't take this. And nowadays the culture is going on for that live-in relationship. That also we don't study under our blood relation. There is no age bar. 16 to 60 or 16 with 60. 2-3 साल पहले एक एग्जाम्पल आया था, अनूप जलोटा, काफी फेमस हुआ था बिग बॉस में. And like why our elder generation, why our senior generation, they are against this live-in relationship? I tell you the reason. नहीं कल्चर वल्चर गया बाहर में. मैं बताता हूँ रियल रीजन. Why our elder generation, they are against this live-in relationship? Because they are jealous. Their point is why you people have all maza without saza. So this is brother, sister, husband, wife, cousin, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. We will take one level above. As compared to your generation, one generation above, what relationship we have? Father, mother, uncle, aunt. English is wonderful. All uncle, all aunt. Not like Hindi, चाचा, ताया, मामा, फूफा, दूर का फूफा, सड़ा हुआ फूफा. All uncle, all aunt. But it will create problem when we will solve question. In question, examiner will say uncle. Then we have to see which uncle, paternal or maternal uncle. So that create confusion. And I always in favor of English, Hindi and Sanskrit. Our Hindi is anytime better because the vocabulary in Hindi. हर चीज के लिए हमारे पास अलग वर्ड है. In English they say uncle, aunt. तो we will handle that part. ये एक प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करेगा आपके लिए uncle, aunt. But when we will do question, we will handle that part. Uncle, aunt. कौन सा uncle, कौन सा aunt. Next. And next relationship, one level above, what we have? Can anyone tell? ना यहाँ पे अभी grandfather बाद में. Father-in-law, mother-in-law. Father-in-law, mother. सास ससुर नहीं बोलते, मम्मी जी पापा जी बोलते हैं. After marriage, you get new mummy, new papa. This is new mummy, new papa. So this is father-in-law, mother-in-law. Next is further one level above as compared to our level, 2 level above. What we have? GF, GM. This GF, with due respect, it is grandfather. There are the different full form of you have of GF. हाँ जी, GF की क्या क्या फुल फॉर्म आप समझते हैं? आपको क्या मैडम क्या समझते हैं आप GF से? ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. जिसने मतलब थोड़ा ज्योग्राफी और साइंस से प्यार है उनके लिए ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स हो जाता है. हाँ, सिविल इंजीनियर हो क्या? वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड इज सिविल इंजीनियर. उसका GF ग्राउंड फ्लोर ही रहता है, उससे ऊपर वो कभी उठ नहीं पाया. तो फॉर सिविल इंजीनियर GF इज ग्राउंड फ्लोर. इन आवर टॉपिक इट इज ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंडमदर. One level below, as compared to our level, one level below, what we have? Son, daughter, nephew, niece, son-in-law, daughter-in-law. And there is a saying in North India कि son in law और coconut बाद में ही पता चलता है कैसे निकलेंगे. Further one level down we have grandson, granddaughter. Okay, so this is our family chart. It will really help you to handle question.